Hello guys, it's Big Bad Wolf here. I'm trying with my new camera now. Okay, that's zoomed all the way in. Alright, so this is my new camera that I got, which is the Canon HF8 on R800. And yeah, hopefully this is good. I want to test it with microphone quality and all that shit. Hopefully this turns out really well. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Hello people. Big Bad Wolf here again. I am testing it again. I got the recording good. I just need to test now with editing and stuff to see how well it will look in black and white. So this is going to be a black and white test for the film. Although, I do notice that the zoom in is very, very freaking... I might need to get some lens to make it where it's more wide, because I have to be like really far away for it to not be right in my face. I'll have to figure that out, but yeah. You got my camera. The sound sounds good, it seems, so that's good news. Okay, it seems I fixed the zoom in a little bit without the lens. If I get lens, it'll be even better. But I put the zoom in a little bit back a little bit. Hopefully this looks better. This is all going to be added to the same video, but this is just testing for myself. Let me know what you guys think. I put a filter on here to make it movie-like. So this is what it would look like when I make the film. I'm also going to make this black and white, this area, so that way it looks more like what I'm going to be making the movie look like. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this camera. If you like it or not, and you think I should use this. This is the Canon HF, I think. Yeah, HF R800. So yeah, I was looking for some low budget cameras and stuff, and this happened to be the one I found. And why is it getting dark? Ooh, that was weird. Hello people. This is a night test now. Late at night. I'm just gonna open the door and basically do a freaking quick shot outside.
Front door.
So as you can see, it's pretty freaking dark. Let's turn on this light here. Doesn't really do much. As far as I can tell, well, seems to do a little bit. But yeah. So this is pretty much the night test. And I'll have to go back out there and do the rest, like day tests and stuff. Say hi, Dad. Hi. Dad, look at the camera.
What?
Seeing how I'm testing your face to see how far I can zoom in. Oops, I just pressed. Alright, there we go. Anyways, I'm gonna stop this video for now. See you guys soon. Hello people. This is Big Bad Wolf here, and this is another outside test. Currently it's bright as hell because there's a motherfucking snow everywhere, so unfortunately, even though you guys will be able to see well, I can't see shit on the viewfinder. The reason is because literally the fright of the freaking snow is overpowering the viewfinder, so I can't see shit. But this is an outside test, the final test, to see how well it's gonna do. Oh look, squirrel. He's on the roof. He's hiding. Yeah. Sound like a fucking dog. Squirrel! From freaking Up. But anyway. So, I'm going to be doing a movie soon, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys know. And this camera thing is going to do well. The next thing I'm going to do after doing these tests is I'm going to be doing a short film that is it's basically going to be a zombie short film that's going to be not inspiration, but it's going to be sort of a test of what the main movie's going to be like. I'm going to test some effects on there and test it to see how well it will work in a film. I got to get a few things, of course, for the main film, but for now I got a couple ideas what I'm going to do for the short film. Well, I guess a short test. It's not going to be like an official film or anything. It has nothing to do with the actual movie I'm doing. The movie and the short film will be completely separate, but the ideas that I'll use in the short film will be used in the main movie when it is finished. So, yes. Hopefully I succeed at this, and you guys will be able to see my accomplished work finally. But that's all I gotta really say. If you want this camera, let me know. If you guys like this camera, to me, I like it. I think the sound is better than the last shit. I'll send you guys a link to my other camera before the testing of those two cameras. Those, in my opinion, were worse than this. This camera is actually pretty damn good, in my opinion, compared to the last one. And I have about 100-some gigabytes of recording, so I can go on for a long time compared to the other cameras. But that's all I gotta say, really. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I did already say, something earlier about like, subscribe, and all that shit, so I'll just put it right here at the end of the video. So I'm gonna let myself from last night finish the outro, but yeah, hopefully this movie does well and things. I will probably be doing some behind the scenes of that, how I made it and things like that. I'll tell you my inspirations and things like that. If you guys see it, then that means I succeeded, and thank God, because I've been wanting to do things like this all my life, and I am not gonna give up this time. So thank you guys. See ya. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you guys do like this video, make sure to give it a like, as well as subscribe to join the Almighty Wolf Army. And don't forget to also join the Almighty Wolf Army Discord chat to talk to your fellow wolf members. This is Big Bad Wolf, and I'll see you guys later. I'm probably going to do some vlogs with this camera to test it out some more and things like that to see how well it is, but for now, this should be good. Thank you guys.